Today, I'm sharing simple ways to make your home eco-friendly. These habits help save the earth and follow God's love for nature. Turn off lights and fans when you leave a room. Use LED bulbs. They save electricity and last longer. Unplug chargers to reduce energy waste. Fix leaky faucets right away. Take short showers and turn off the tap while brushing teeth. Collect rainwater in buckets for plants. Separate plastic, paper, glass, and food waste. Make compost from peels for your garden. Recycling helps Mother Earth. Skip chemical sprays. Mix vinegar, lemon, and baking soda for cleaning. They're safe and good for air. Clean home, happy family. Add green plants like snake plant or pothos. They clean air naturally. Water them with saved rainwater for a fresh home. Try these today. Small changes make big differences. Love your home, love the environment. Thank you. God bless.